Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Inshallah, in this session, I'm going to speak about the city supervision relay. And city supervision relay, it is very important, and we are using this city supervision relay with high impedance busbar differential relay. Now let's see how the city supervision relay. If we draw small single line diagram for busbar differential, assume we have here bus, and we have here CT, and we have here CT, and we have here this the relay. Okay, we have like this. Okay, as you know, in bus bar differential, if the fault within the zone, the bus bar differential, it will trip. If the fault external, the bus bar differential should not work. It's very simple scheme that only by Kirchhoff current law, I1 plus I2 plus I3 will be equal 0. So the high impedance busbar differential relay should be always, if the fault is external, should be what? 0. During healthy condition, the busbar differential also, the differential current should be always 0. But if the fault it is internal, internal zone means the location between two CT, the busbar differential relay should be tripped. This is very simple. But now assume I have external fault, very heavy load or very heavy fault current. Because this heavy fault current, this CT could be saturated. If this CT is saturated, means no secondary current will flow to the where? To the relay. So will be there differential current. That differential current will lead to trip busbar differential relay. But this external fault, the busbar differential relay should not work. The busbar differential relay should be always work with internal fault. Now because this heavy fault current, this CT may be saturated. If the CT is saturated, there will be no secondary current that will cancel the current coming from another CT. So will be differential current and busbar differential relay. It will trip, and if the busbar differential it is tripped, it will lead maybe to the blackout for whole substation, because we are switch off for all the busbar. But the CT saturation and CT secondary open, now assume even if the CT secondary open like this, there will be no secondary current will flow to the busbar differential. So CT secondary open or CT saturation, this it is not real fault. I will not consider it as a fault. So the busbar differential relay should not work. So how will do? Here we need now the CT supervision relay. CT supervision relay, it will be here. Okay, this CT supervision relay, it is with high impedance busbar differential relay. So how CT supervision relay? If the CT is saturated or the CT secondary is open, the CT supervision relay, it is voltage coil. It is sensitive voltage coil. Okay, so if the CT is saturated or open, there will be no current, but the voltage will increase. That will increase, the CT supervision will detect that voltage increase across the CT secondary. So the CT supervision relay, when you detect increase in the voltage, it will block the busbar differential relay within time delay. Normally the time delay for CT supervision relay from 1 to 5 seconds. Normally in our substation we are keep it 3 seconds. Okay, so here the CT supervision relay, how it's work? Simply it is voltage sensitive relay that if the CT secondary open or saturated, it will across the CT secondary will increase the voltage. That increase the voltage, it will CT supervision relay will detect that increase in the voltage, and within time delay, I keep it example 3 seconds, it will block bus bar differential. Okay, so in bus bar differential relay, it will not work. So that's why I need CT supervision relay with high impedance bus bar differential relay. Inshallah, in the next section, we'll see how to make CT arrangement in the bus bar differential and CT zone, and how to make overlapping, and how to avoid dead zone. Okay, I hope this is clear. So thank you so much.